what you think. Tell me what is true. Tell me what you want. I love you. Oh, I love you.
So if you're new here, then do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get updated every time I'm on YouTube. And if you're already a part of my YouTube family, I've said that before. Welcome back. So guys, today I'm gonna share a recipe with you like I do every time, and that is tomato soup. So guys, this recipe is very famous. Like, you go to any restaurant, any person's choice is this one, and yeah, it's all-time favorite. So we're gonna make it, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. करेंगे जब तक कि प्रॉपर्ली सॉफ्ट ना हो जाए। सो यहाँ दूसरी तरफ मैंने एक और पैन लिया है। You like this super quick, healthy and easy recipe of tomato soup, and you'll try this for sure. If you try it, then comment below and share this video. Comment on this, any advices for the upcoming videos or this one. And thank you so much for watching, and yeah, that's all I would like to say. And before you go, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for post notifications for my videos, and yeah, stay home and stay safe and keep watching my videos. Thank you.